Hey guys, and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to draw a unicorn cloud, a cute unicorn cloud that is such as this one on my sketchbook. So I'll be showing you how to draw that and something like this right here. And then for the final drawing, if it'll focus, will be this drawing right here. So there's that. There's a few examples. It'll focus. Okay, so you get the general idea. So in the next clip, I'll go over materials and everything. So continue watching how to draw this simple, cute cloud. So anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to share, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in a bit. Hey guys, welcome to this video tutorial. I thought I would show you how to draw this cute unicorn cloud. So this is going to be a tutorial on how to draw this. If you want me to make a tutorial on how to make the sketchbook, let me know in the comments below and I can do that. Here's another example of unicorn clouds with on the back. So I wanted to show a couple more examples before we get on to the materials. So the examples I drew up yesterday are these right here. So I thought these were pretty cute. So I drew these different expressions and everything before you can ink it with a pink brush pen, so you could do that. This one and this one, I used a Tombow brush pen, so if you have that, you can use that, but for this tutorial, I will be using a ballpoint pen, so it is affordable, easy, and simple tool to use for this drawing. So, speaking of tools and everything, let's see, let's get on with the materials. So, for the materials, you don't need to have a color erase. I'm probably not going to use that for the tutorial. The tutorial, I usually use this for my sketching. This is a Crayola color erase pencil, erasable pencils. I love these, as well as Prismacolor color erase sketches. Next up, the famous ballpoint pen I like to use a lot for the tutorial. I tend to use these for tutorials and everything, so be affordable. Next up is, of course, a mechanical pencil, just a regular basic mechanical pencil. This is Pentel Twist Erase GT 0.7. I like to use 0.7 lead in case you're wondering. So there's that. For the coloring and everything, I was going to use a Tombow brush pen, but that would be too expensive for the simple tutorial. That's easy. I'm trying to make it affordable to the younger artists that are out there. So this is the Staedtler water-based markers. I love these. We'll be using that for the horn. So, and basically for the horn. So, be using that. You can also use pink for the horn in case of that. This is just fundamentals, artist lost fundamentals. Marker is like a fine tip pen or something like that. You can also use as an option for coloring. And then for the shadow, I like to use this Arteza water brush marker pen, real brush pens. These are great. Not sponsored, by the way, so this is not a sponsored tutorial. So, for the paper I'm going to use, I know I could draw on my cloud sketchbook, but I'm actually saving that until I finish some sketchbooks that I need to finish. Ooh, that light just got really orange. Sorry, guys. Don't know how that happened. Okay, so now it's getting better. Sorry about that, guys. Now it's getting orange again. Why? Anyway, sorry guys, I think it's my hands, but this is Canson Economics Media paper I like to use. I did these stickers myself with a sticker maker, so that's not part of the tutorial. So hopefully it won't be orange and the drawing tutorial itself, but if it is, hopefully I'll fix it in editing. So I haven't had that happen before. That's really weird. Hopefully it's back to normal. So, I'm trying to decide which way I want to turn the paper, this way or this way. Probably this way would be beneficial to you guys. So yeah, so let's start with a pencil. I'm going to use my sketchbook as the guide, as the reference, the sketchbook right here as the reference. We are going to do my simple eyes for this tutorial, so if you've been following my style for a while, I love to draw simple eyes for this technique. So for the first to begin, and I'm so sorry if this shadow is in the way of my drawing. I think it's better if the lights are on because I will be able to see that shadow covering. So hopefully it won't be too in the way. So I'm sorry guys. So we're gonna start off with a little half circle, like a curve, like that for the shape, beginning of the shape, and then we're going to bring it over. That's 2 curve, kind of like, I guess it will be like an upside down 3, if it will look like that. So could do another one, bring it around, so you have 1, 2, 3 small curves, and then we're going to go on this side, bring it around like that, come down. These are big curves because it is simple. And I'll try to move my hand away from the actual drawing itself because of the shadow. But anyway, I'm going to bring another curve. These are smaller curves. These are like, for this one, it's kind of like a mirrored effect. This one goes up. This one kind of goes this way. So keep that in mind. It's simple, so it's not like I'm going to have a curve connecting it. So you can do as many curves as you want to. It doesn't really matter, but as long as you're having fun, it's the main point. So sorry for the hand in the way or the shadow. Sorry about that. For the eyes, I did a circle like that. And then we're going to come over here, do the same thing. Sometimes I do eyes at the same time. Sometimes I don't. I can see here this eye is a little bigger, which I'm trying to keep this as simple as possible. If you want me to do guidelines for more tutorials, I can do that. But I wanted to keep it simple as possible and easy. So we're going to do a highlight, half circle. This is kind of like my style, and then another highlight over here, like snow, like that. Good job. So this one I'm going to bring around this way. We're going to copy that side. And then another one. This is kind of like my style of eyes. But anyways, we're going to shade it in. I like to shade it before inking because it makes it get darker. And then I'm going to shade it over here as well. So we'll get to the horn in a few minutes, but first we're going to do smile to have an expression. As you see in the beginning of my other clouds I've drawn, there's different expressions that you can do. So we're just going to do a simple smile. So there we go. To make it a unicorn, we're just going to add the horn. I like to add eyelashes sometimes if I feel like it, but going to bring, this is going to be a triangle, so we're going to bring it up, and then we're going to bring it down to the other side of the cloud. So, and then going to kind of make a curve, and then another curve, and then if you want, you can add a third curve, but that's a simple unicorn cloud. So for the inking, usually I would do it off camera, but since we're doing the eyes, I thought I would go ahead and do it. So I might speed up this part. So. Hey guys, and welcome to this part of the drawing tutorial. This is my inking, and I put it in real time only because I thought it would be a lot better this way, because usually I'll speed up the inking for this one. So anyways, I thought I would do that. So I just go around and ink the eyes, the horn, and everything like that. And you'll see in the next part I switched to coloring. I use the Arteza brush pen for the shadow, but you can easily use any light blue or pink or anything like that for the coloring. And then for the horn, I use a yellow, so there's that. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.